Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is Swathi Ganesh. Today we are going to see my room tour. Welcome to my room, and before starting please to click on the subscribe button below and also on the bell icon so you get notification of my future videos. This is my bedroom door. I have decorated with a dream catcher, and this is a rented house, and if you see I have removed the latch because my daughter is very young. For safety reasons we have removed it. Let's enter the room. So once you enter the room, you will be able to see this part of the room. Theme I have chosen for this room is pink, so mostly all the products will be in white and pink. In this section, I have used ice cream sticks and I have made this shelf, and I have spray painted it white, and I have made two shelves, and I have kept some small dolls inside us. This side is the most important part of all our life. It's love, yeah. And I have decorated it with string lights and I just love it. And on the above is a special one, which is a return gift of my daughter's first birthday. On the below I have placed a decorative jewelry holder, and I place all my regular wear earrings here. Beside it is two photo frames. I have used two photo frames. I placed my mother-in-law and father-in-law pictures in that, and they are not with us anymore. They passed away long back. This side I have kept the necessary items which will be needed while my daughter goes to school, like comb, her bindi, and I have placed a remote, AC remote, and powder and coconut oil, and also I have a DIY project cardboard box organizer, and I placed my selfie stick here. In this organizer, I have kept mosquito repellent, some creams, thermometer, nail cutter, sanitizer, nasal drops and all. And in this box, I placed all my kids' medicines. I have used a box because it looks organized and neat all the time. This box I made almost 2 years back and it's still good. Now coming to this side, I have used a runner beside my bed, and I have placed a snake plant over there, and the stand on which I have placed is a DIY project. Yes, I made it using some big box which was lying waste around my house. Let me show you. Here, this is snake plant. This is it's a box. I have placed it upside down. I used a twine and like lace for decorating it, and I placed the plant over it. It does add beauty to my room. So above this I have used a command hook, and I have placed some of my hats over there. And beside that is a family portrait, and this was hand drawn by my husband's friend, and it was a surprise gift to me by my husband. And I have decorated it with fairy lights, and I just love it. I love family portraits more than paintings, any other paintings. And this is my bed. If you see, this side is my study space. I made this bookshelf using cardboard. I'll put the DIY project link in the description box below, and I have used the stool with the cushion for comfort, and I placed everything on a carpet like this. This side I have a small like cupboard, and on that I have placed one horse picture. My husband loves white horses, and there is a owl and our engagement pic and some flowers, artificial flowers, and a clock. Here I have placed my daughter's picture on the switchboard, and that is my mother-in-law and father-in-law. And this side I have placed a basket in which I placed regular use bed sheets which we use in the nights, and over it I have decorated with a tortoise and a little heart. And above that is a shelf which is made with twine and a wooden shelf. This is a DIY project which I made myself, and in that I have decorated with some flamingos. And this side is a hanging planter which I have hung from the curtain rod, and I placed a little money plant in it. And this is our laundry bag, and this is our washroom entrance. So these are our cupboards. I'll just open and show it to you guys. This is a very small cupboards, and it is shared by me, my husband and my daughter. So I've tried my best to keep it neat and organized. If you see this side, I placed my daughter's party wear, and my husband's office wear are there, and my husband's regular wear are there. My regular wear, whichever I wear in house, everything are here. And on the top portion I have used the organizers, where in the bottom portion I have not used much organizers. I'll be decluttering this cupboard soon, so I'll make a video then. See, our bed is a very simple part. I have used a bedspread and a quilt on it, and this quilt is like I use it regularly and I just love it. And I have used a pillow for decoration, and this pillow I gave it as gift to my husband on anniversary. And beside I have used 2 more pillows which has our engagement photos, and this was also my first gift to my husband on his birthday. And I have placed a command hooks and installed 2 hearts near the photo, and I think this has added more beauty to the picture. This side is my dressing unit, and I'll just open and show to you guys. This is how I have organized and kept it, and it's a very old cupboard, so I have done my best to keep it organized and neat. This is another very small cupboard in which I placed all my party wears in plastic covers like this, and there are some miscellaneous things below, and below that I have placed some of my handbags. That's it. This side we have some office related stuff. I have used pink curtains for the windows, so it goes along with the color I have chosen for the room. Though I have used a lot of pink, it doesn't look like too much feminine. So my husband kind of likes it. Behind the bedroom door, I have placed a calendar and hooks on which we can hang clothes. This is how my bedroom looks in the night. I switch on all the fairy lights. and I just love this look. Hope you all like the video. If you all like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get notification of my future videos, and it's absolutely free. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, this is Swathiganesh signing off. Bye bye.